Looking to lighten your skin naturally? Home remedies are great for skincare. They are natural, cheap, and most ingredients are in your kitchen. Also, no harsh chemicals like in store-bought products. Lemon, honey, and milk. Lemon juice is known for its natural bleaching properties. Honey moisturizes the skin and milk contributes to a smoother complexion. Mix 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this mixture to the skin, leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. Yogurt. Yogurt is not only delicious but also a fantastic ingredient for skin lightening. Rich in lactic acid, it helps lighten the skin tone and reduce signs of aging. Additionally, it contains a complex of B vitamins that make your skin brighter and more radiant. Pamper your skin with yogurt every day for effective results. Turmeric. Turmeric, honey and milk will give your skin a glow. Mix 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of milk until it forms a paste. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for 25 minutes before rinsing with clean water. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a week until you see results. Regular use of these remedies will yield the best results. Precautions. Test new ingredients on a small area first to ensure you're not allergic to it. Drink water and eat balanced for skin health. Keep in mind that everyone's skin is different and what works for one person may not work for another. Always consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns about your skin's health.